one of the big things when it comes to AI is that I've now gotten the big efficiency gains, and I'm looking to squeeze out those next 1 to 5% efficiency gains on our factory floor. And I think AI is really going to help us find those things in real time. When we're manufacturing, it's navigating roadblocks. There's always something that happens on your factory floor. How can the software, how can the AI agent detect that happening and help pivot the whole team around it and provide clarity? Or maybe my employees who are managing the production process can run models, say, what if we tried this? Or what if we tried this in rapid time? Because we're always questioning, maybe if we change this, we'll see this. Or maybe if we change this. But to actually program that out, see it before we actually do it, would be so impactful for my team. How do we compensate for somebody calling out sick? Who do we need to shift to? Who are our top 3 people, right? How can we distribute that work, but still stay on schedule, right? So those kind of questions. AI, like I said, is gonna just raise the average intelligence of everybody on our floor. It's going to empower some people who may not be very comfortable with a lot of the decision-making process to make decisions now. If they haven't been a floor manager before and they're tasked with trying to move work around, they're gonna feel more confident when this AI is giving them actual data that they can rely on and actual actions that they can take on. Another area in the production is optimizing workflow, right? I really talked about factory layouts, right? We all talk about operator efficiency, but very rarely do we talk about layouts and the efficiency from station to station to station. So if we could model this and run calculations from time flows and really squeeze that next 5%, that would be amazing.